push it out, fake a smile, avert disaster, just in time. I need a drink, cause in a while, wordless answer from friends of mine. It's dumb to ask, cool to ignore. Girls possess me, but they're never mine. I made my entrance, avoided hazards, checked my engine, I fell behind. I fell behind. She makes me feel like it's raining outside. And when the stars come, I'm all torn up inside. I'm always nervous on days like this, like that one. I get too scared to move, cause I'm a fucking boy. Remember when I was in the grocery store? Now's my time. Lost the words, lost the nerve, lost the girl, left the line. I would wish upon a star, but that star, it doesn't shine. So read my book with the boring ending, a short story of a lonely guy.